Yes, now, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome back to North Guerillas YouTube channel. Week 11 of the 2026 Guerilla season. If anybody knows the name of that bird in the intro, then please drop a comment below because I've never heard that one before. Isn't it amazing that something in nature can sound like that? Sounds like a flipping, some sort of gun off Star Wars or something. Madness. But we here, watering duties. Woo! Ah, shit, man! Ah! Dick, that just shredded my knee. Oh. Hey, yeah, I brought some scissors for this today. I'm gonna chop this out. It's clearly cut off its full supply. Left it a couple more days after the big waterings. See if it boosted back up, but nothing. So I brought some scissors. I'm gonna snip it about here, I reckon. And then just let it recover before flower. I'm also gonna defoliate a little bit of this out. Just a little bit of this compact growth in here. Get rid of that. But overall, I need to move back to get it into perspective. The width. Some absolute booster that. She's a booster. Can't believe that even after it's been topped, that it's still got just one main head. Well, to be fair, it's got two main heads because them two, that one and that one, both on same height pretty much. But absolutely boosting. Anytime these plants are going to flip into flower, days are now getting shorter. I put the daylight hours right there. But that's for my location. For your specific location, just jump on Google, type in your location, daylight hours today, and there's a specific website that I always use because it's just reliable every year. Tells you the moon patterns, the sun patterns, daylight hours. It tells you everything. It's quite interesting, to be fair. But these are going to start flipping into flower soon. I'm going to order the neem oil. Get them all sprayed up top and bottom. I've only got 12 litres today. Riding here with that were easy compared to last two trips. Last two trips are over 20 litres. So when I'm just doing 10, light work. Coming thick, sturdy. Look at that beast. Monstrosity of a stem. I'm gonna get my gloves on and get cracking. Couldn't find me pruners anywhere, so I've gone for good old sturdy Russell Hobbs kitchen clippers. They'll do. I hope you can see what I'm about to do. I don't like doing any sort of clipping on main stems, but when it's got to be done, it's got to be done. Trying to get it as clean as I can, because cleaner the cut, the better for the plant. But I just had to get that little initial snap just to get it moving. But she's off. That were actually easier than I thought. But what a shame. Is what it is. If anybody knows, anybody's got any reasonings, wants to have any input on it, feel free to drop a comment because I ain't got a clue. There's a kink there. But that kink is for that one branch. That kink should not stop off the water supply to this branch, and to this branch here. It is what it is. Benefits the plant. For some reason, it's chopped off its water supply. Nothing I can do about it. Is what it is. Now, maximum amount of light's going to be getting inside there. Direct sunlight from every angle. And like I say, when you've got branches that are coming like full plants, I'm not worried about that. I just hope it heals up good. I've snipped it now because flower's due soon. Hopefully we don't get no rain, it stays dry, so that thing can heal up nicely. Where's my scissors gone? Strip a bit of this out, ready for flower. More light in there, more airflow in there. You know how it goes. Making it to the top, then it's getting the clip. Simple. That'll do for now on that one. She's had a nice clip up, absolutely bushed on top, absolutely bushing. A few of these might still come off yet, stuff like that might come off. But you see, when flower flips, you don't know how much these are going to boost. This might actually make it up to here. So that one I'm going to leave for now. You don't want to take off more than a third of the plant in a whole defoliating session. These here are probably going to end up coming off. That whole, no, not the whole branch. That bit's going to be all right. That's a nice head. But these two that are coming off that are probably going to end up getting cut off. Like I say, don't cut off more than a third of the plant in a whole defoliating sesh. Get all the fan leaves off, all the middle ones, all the lower ones. Stuff like this now that's pure underneath, may as well get it gone. It's not getting direct light. These are getting the direct light, and these are what are absorbing the most. So all underneath, all inside. See, like that one there, ain't it mad that one bladed leaves? But stuff like that, even if it's a 3 finger, 5 finger, 7 finger, 9 finger leaf, if it's in the center down below and it ain't getting no light, get it whipped off before flower. See, like all these here, this is yet to come off, this is yet to come off. Just gonna strip it down to the main heads. Look, this is some tackle that I've cut off. I think one of them, look at the size on one of them. But you see, got to weigh up your options on stuff like that, because that ain't gonna amount to much. Do you know what I mean? It's taking more energy than it's worth. So you clip it off. I think it were down there somewhere. Might have been that branch there, look. I think it were that branch there, joined onto that. But that's not going to amount to much. Some little feeble branch. You could obviously use that as clones. You can use them all as clones and cuttings if you wanted to, or whatever else you want to use it for. I only do this because it's proven to be beneficial to the plants. All this tackle, I could be taking home and cloning if I really wanted to. Leave that to the cloners. I'll just do the growing. But look at that. Stalk on that's coming like a mother plant. At what stage do you call that a trunk? Some girth on that. Girthiness. Just absorbing final bits of direct sunlight. This one, very impressed with. I would take off some defoliation on here as well, but since I've just clipped that off, that's going to cause some major stress. So I'm going to let that heal and I'll defoliate this one next time. A lot of the bottom's already been stripped, as you can see. I'm going to clip a bit of this unnecessary business out of here as well. No need for that to be on there. If it's got new growth, I'll leave it. But if there's no new growth, it's getting this snip boy. Last job's to chuck waters in and then I'm bouncing. Another day, another watering. Next trip I'm getting my berry pick on and take a load of these home and make some blackberry jam. All watered to gather up all your bits and bats best you can. All your scraps, because this left around your plants can draw unwanted pest attention. And make sure you take them way away from your plants. Can't see no more about literal tiny little leaves. And that's me done for today. Week 11 of the 2026 Guerilla season. Overall, plants are looking good. Absolutely boosting. We're not even in flower yet. Look at the size. We're not even in flower yet. They're going to double in size yet. Going to be easy 6 to 10 foot, easy, depending how much they stretch. Some strain of plants will stretch more than others in flower, but do expect them to at least double in height. That's why you cut off the bottoms, so they put more energy to the tops, especially before flower. Then around week 3 of flower, I'll be giving them another leaf strip, the day 21 leaf strip, getting rid of all the foliage that's grown back, all the fan leaves clipped off, so the plant can purely focus its energy to the bud sites that we want it to focus its energy on. Again, big up every single head out here showing support, keeping the positivity going, man. It means a lot. I'm going to get out this week and talk a little bit more about future plans for the channel, things I want to do end of this season, next season, projects over winter, etc. But big up every single one of yous, man, because if it weren't for yous, there'd be no point me videoing it and posting it. So big up, man, keep the positivity rolling, stay tuned for more Guerilla content.